Tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your life sincerely free in the house of the rising
How you guys doing? FOMO. Huge FOMO. Huge FOMO. How is this possible? How can everything go out? Copyright, yeah, copyright music. I don't care, man. When FOMO hits in, I don't care. Wow. Everything. All of the resistance line, everything is broken. Right, yeah, right. Yeah, we millions, right? The retracement is happening all season, guys, all season. And man, oh man, am I missing out on everything. Where is Cardano? Cardano was doing nicely up here. I was even thinking, I was looking at Cardano up here, right over here. I was thinking, you know, should I long Cardano? I didn't do that. Yeah, I'm a little bit unsure about trading right now. This is insane. I was thinking up here, you know, should I long? Couldn't do it. This is exploding. Everything is going up. The moves are happening. Look at this move, man. RSI right now on the 4 hourly at 77, which isn't that high, but you know, we are breaking the resistance. One hourly sitting here at 82. This can still pump, man. I just went long on the like button again. Mladen is in the chat. Hallelujah. How you doing, man? Long time no see. Long time no see. Wow. The daily is crossing the zero line, guys. The daily, no, sorry, this is the 4 hourly is crossing zero. The daily is still, you know, above the zero line, and doing this curvature up here. Very nice. Long time, yeah, long time no see. It's been a, you know, once you start going down over here, you know, it feels like, you know, eternity. But when you go up, you know, it's like seconds. Getting a little bit overextended, not that much, but you know, we are definitely at some kind of overextend levels. So pullbacks are in order. 1 hour they can still go. Damn, the moves. This was the big one. I didn't even notice this one up here. I didn't even notice this, you know, rising wedge up here that we broke towards the upside. Retested 2 times and exploded. Imagine that. How crappy of a TA analyst am I if I cannot, you know, see something so obvious? I don't see any video, only sound. Well, that's your problem, I'm guessing. The video is fully working. Long flocky after a must tweet. Up to under 60%. What the? Damn. Damn, guys. The moves. The moves are legit, guys. The moves are legit. The moves are legit. The moves are legit, guys. Real or mobile? Okay, now there you go. Musk, yeah, Musk start posting, you know, Dogecoins. Damn. So where is this gonna stop up here? It's not like continuous move up here, you know, something like that. That's, you know, it's went up, consolidate, went up, consolidate, it went up right now. Maybe consolidation before more moves towards up. The FOMO is so strong, guys. The FOMO is legitimately very, very strong. Like everything seems, you know, just beautiful moves up. Just beautiful moves. Like 1 minute up here looks like it might, you know, be pulling back a little bit up here. So, you know, that might be good. So this move up here might pull back a little bit. Phantom making moves. Phantoms, you know, damn. I even had a long event, but you know, I closed everything, you know, too soon. Close everything too soon. Phantom was 6.5%. So yeah, I mean, look at these moves, like from bottom to top, 36%. You gotta copy to a strike. It's okay, it's okay, we're gonna do fine. It's worth it. The copyright strike is worth it, guys. It's just slowly climbing. I mean, just such a nice lines, man. Doesn't care. I'm gonna get a fake out up here and then down, because altcoins are not up that much. I mean, they are up like, you know, 2, 3, 4%, but not like 50%. So, you know, maybe everybody's in Bitcoin right now. Maybe everybody's in Bitcoin right now. There might be that as well. It's just breaking everything. Everything is breaking everything. Everything pump-poo. But it's hitting these major resistance levels. So the question is, you know, and when I feel the FOMO, you know, 3 big green giant candles, one after another, no stoppage up here. Nice channel, look in the group. Several Twitter featured down, Expanding musical instrument towards downside, this on Binance 4 hourly up here. Yeah, I saw this expanding musical instrument up here, but I was talking about it is today. But we have been just over here, so I was a little bit unsure where we're gonna break towards the upside. I was a little bit unsure, like music, you know. I was a little bit unsure, but do you want me to show you a line? There is another line that we broke down here, guys. There is another line that we broke down here. And that line goes something like this up here. Let me see if I can actually manage to, you know, revive the line. Something like this, I think. Maybe on a bigger time frame, 4 hour time frame, yeah. Something like this over here. There we go. And I was looking at this line and I was like, is it possible that we already up here became stupidly bullish? Is it possible that, you know, we broke the downtrend over here, already over here? Because it is some kind of nice line up here, even this, you know, fake outs towards the upside. If you pull the line a little bit up towards the upside, then it's, you know, breaking up here. If you pull something like this over here, Then we came to this top up here. But everything is getting broken. Literally everything is getting broken. Even this very important line of resistance right now is getting. It's not just getting important. It's getting smashed. Did you FOMO? Not yet. Very, very close to FOMO, guys. Very, very close to FOMO. So I'm definitely gonna buy back in. So there is that. The experiment kind of failed a little bit up here. The price is way too bullish for that. But see the line up here. We are breaking that. We are breaking this. We are breaking this over here. Like anything that can be broken. Like horizontal lines up here. Broken, broken. Technically not broken, but we are breaking. There is this line, this stop up here. Even that up here is right now getting smashed. And then we only got a 23.7 right now. Yeah, above the midline on the channel as well. It looks so good. It looks so good, guys. It looks 7 minutes. 7 minutes until the 4-hourly close. Maybe some kind of pullback on everything, and then we buy in. All right. God damn, this is so beautiful. This move up here, it just got everybody. It got everybody. Move down here. Got everybody stupidly bearish up here. Stupidly bearish. Was a good call up here, but down here, I just had nothing. I was, too bearish to see the moves. Even this move up here above the, above the resistance up here, it just didn't, I was thinking it can go up to the resistance up here, 22.7, 22.8, 22.6. But this final move up here, this move up here above everything, it's kind of, wrecking everything. If you remember today, we pulled very nice lines up here. And we had the moving averages as well. This is 10 moving average, but whatever, right? And then if you go over here for all this, so we moved up here, right? We moved up here to 22.7, and that was normal, because this was the resistance area. This was the area that I thought we might come, and that would be fine. If you just come up here and pull back or something like start consolidating up here, I would I wouldn't have the FOMO that I have right now. But this move up here, it just wrecked everything, guys. This move up here wrecked everything. And if the daily starts closing the way I think it's gonna close, it's gonna wreck everything. Look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame still 13 hours left, but if this continues up here pumping towards the upside, wow. It just might close above the 50 moving average up here. Very, very close. Look at the move down. I didn't even see this, guys. Look at the move down here on the weekly time frame. Back down to the 10 moving average. Retesting 10 moving average. This is gonna... Oh, I'm gonna FOMO so hard, guys. I'm gonna FOMO so hard. Alone it's 14.17. Nice. Very nice. Where is 14.17? Probably, if I know you well, it's probably down here somewhere. 14.17. Damn. Damn, look at that long, man. Look at that long on it, man. 10% up. Very nice. Muhammad also had a very nice long because we are having the stream at that point over here. I closed my position. He had a long down here. Muhammad is also very good at picking these bottoms. New name is FOMO adopter. FOMO. Muhammad also had a very nice long position up here. And he, I don't know if he closed the position or not, but it's up like 9%. But if you held the long, Ethereum from 14.17, man, wow. Good job hodling through the CPI numbers, man. Short squeeze only just getting started. This is the moment for Dodge Daddy music. I don't want to play Dodge Daddy. I'm just gonna increase my anxiety. So I'm just gonna increase my anxiety. But yeah, wow, guys, the moves are legit. Phantom up here, let's see a little bit coins up here. Lunk up here. We might have a nice moves up here. It didn't pump that much. For all, just getting started up here towards the upside. Yeah. but everything explodes. So, you know, even this, you know, small channel up here right now is coming towards some kind of resistance. A bit, you know, Dogecoin is up for 5% up here right now, but it's still below. It's still below the big moves. It's still below up here. Shiba up 5%. Sand. I don't. This is, you know, low. You know, previous stuff up here. The moves, guys, the moves. Wait, how you doing, man? But did you hodl through it too with your wife and you for 30%? No, you know, the stuff that I sold at the top, I still haven't bought in, so, you know, might get some kind of cheap altcoins if I do buy in time, because you see right now, I sold on the 3rd of February, right? 876. This thing actually, this is 3rd February up here. So up here, if you see up here Chili's, I didn't sell Chili's, but, you know, I will be, you know, up and up, right? Yeah, this is Aptos, and Aptos is going nicely up here, you know, towards the upside, but it's hitting the resistance. I think this stuff is gonna, you know, try to wait for the 4-hourly close, and then we see what's gonna happen there. But the FOMO is so strong, guys. Deploying capital, lads. I think a lot of people are deploying capital, so I'm a little bit, you know, scared right now, because if I feel FOMO, a lot of people feel FOMO. If I feel FOMO, a lot of people feel FOMO. And the price isn't dropping. The price is, I was noticing entire day today, guys. Entire day today, even down here today from the Bitcoin daily, like it's just not dropping. Like I shorted up here, guys. I shorted up here, right? And I was expecting, I went to sleep and I was expecting Bitcoin to be somewhere down here today, but it's not. It's just going inside this, you know, triangle up here, and then explode up here towards the upside above my resistance. Just, you know, went bam, and, you know, and even up here towards upside, after this move towards upside, I was like, okay, sure, it might pull back over here, because hitting this, you know, 27, 26 resistance up here. So I thought, okay, it's gonna go something like this and go down. Nope. 2 moves up, break towards upside. Extreme moves. Garrett, how you doing? We will break 25 this week. This week, maybe not, you know, till I buy now, gold buying at 40k. But the experiment, you know, kind of failed a little bit. The experiment kind of failed a little bit. I was underestimating the bullishness. This isn't done yet, right? For whatever reason, this might drop down. And the DXY, guys, how is this possible that both DXY and Bitcoin is pumping at the same time? How is it possible that both DXY and Bitcoin is pumping at the same time? You've been telling me for the longest time, DXY and Bitcoin are inversely correlated. Just like people have been telling me for all, you know, entire 2017, 18, you know, 19, CME gaps, CME gaps, CME gaps. And then I see this today. And I see this, you know, this nice, you know, bull flag or whatever this is on the DXY. And I'm thinking there is no way Bitcoin can pump when DXY pumps. This is the same kind of feeling I had, you know, just before the bull market started, when I was like, yeah, we gotta close the CME gap, we gotta close the CME gap. The same kind of feeling. And right now, it's the DXY that's messing me up. How could we pump? Like, this over here looks bullish. So I understood that, you know, okay, DXY goes up, Bitcoin needs to come down, right? Bitcoin needs to come down. But Bitcoin is not coming down. It's just exploding towards the upside. We get a 4-hourly close. We get a 4-hourly close up here. We are extended like MFs, guys. We are extended like, you know what. This down here shows you extensions. You can see up here, we don't get these kind of extensions that often. But, you know, we got that kind of extension over here, just because a slight consolidation. These are, you know, extreme extensions. You know, when you get up here, you know, something like this up here towards this top up here, 7% up or something like that over here, then you're extreme extension. So this can definitely continue pumping up here. Will we get consolidation? Will we get anything? Or will this just continue pumping up for another 5%? Who knows? Plus 20. I cannot even enter positions. I cannot even enter positions. Everything is in green. Everything, you know, any kind of pullback up here, like extreme pullbacks, like there is no way to enter a position in anything without risking, you know, half your stack. Everything is up. Can't believe Bitcoin following DXY. Yeah, nobody can believe Bitcoin following DXY. That's what threw me off today, because I was like looking at DXY, I was like, no way Bitcoin is gonna, you know, do the move up, right? No way. I was looking at this triangle, you know, DXY looking, you know, bullish, even though I should have noticed that, you know, we had this, you know, double bottom down here, and we broke that and start consolidating up here. But I was like, nah, DXY needs to pull, you know, DXY is gonna go and everything's gonna drop down. And DXY went up, and the stock markets started going towards the downside over here. You can see the red candles. But even stock markets are, you know, changing direction towards the upside. Sadman, what's up? Yes, there is. Very small position with high leverage. Market gone crazy. Put target on Aptos to 1864 and come see later. Yeah, I think Aptos is gonna go. I think Aptos is gonna go. But it's even up here, like down here, it might be having some kind of better entry or whatever, right? But there is no pullback. There is no pullback. And however you look at it, like any kind of move down is like 2, 3, 4, 5%. Like you can do like maybe at most like 2, 3x or something like that. The risk like 10% of your account or something like that. Crazy, right? But that's what's happening, guys. That's what's happening. Bitcoin ain't stopping. Damn, this thing pumps. Literally no breaks, no pullbacks, no breaks, no nothing. How is this even possible? Who told me about DXY? Who messed me up about DXY? I'm gonna blame that person. Just wrecking everything. I checked the GIS, but compared to Bitcoin, it's hard to take conclusion, but it seems that halvings are not catalyst. But who knows? Every Bitcoin bull market was taking place when S&P Doji was going up strong. Yeah. Yeah, boy. You can short and you can't long. Like, you can't do anything. You can short this trend, and you can't, like, you can jump on the train. You can definitely do that. You can jump on the train, right? There has definitely been, you know, options to jump on the train. There has been option up here, but you can jump on the train up here, right? You can't jump on the train. The train is already moving, so you want any kind of pullback to jump on the train, but there is no options. There is nothing, right? It just goes straight up. This last move up here is going like 2.5% up. And you know, so you know, you're looking at alternatives like something like you know, maybe some altcoins, but you know, even altcoins are pumping like you know they're doing very well, right? Even altcoins, I mean, it's some kind of resistance or whatnot, right? But even altcoins are, you know, they have no pullbacks, Even Cardano, I wanted to long Cardano up here. Truth be told, I wanted to long Cardano up here. But it was going a little bit up here, so I was waiting for some kind of maybe pullback over here or something like that. But there is that. Maybe there is gonna go retest this line up here. So you know, maybe there is, you know, some kind of long on Cardano up here, because Cardano up here broke this resistance up here. So right now it's having a pullback. Depends on how much pullback you can have, right? So there is that. Here this rally has fired up the doctor, something in him. I'm actually very tired, so you know, it might be me, you know, sleepless nights that are talking right now, but there is that. I'm so mad, like I didn't expect it, literally didn't expect it to go up, and mostly because of the damn DXY. I just couldn't see it. Like DXY looked bullish as, you know, as F, So I couldn't understand, you know, how is Bitcoin gonna go up? Even though it looked a little bit bullishly and stuff like that, how can it go up? Like I could see, you know, the resistance, but you know, DXY looks good. Everybody was telling me DXY and Bitcoin is inverse correlate, and we saw inverse correlation, and we have been, you know, following inverse correlation. But right now, today, no correlation. Everything is pumping. DXY is pumping. Stocks are pumping. Bitcoin is pumping. Everything is pumping. But because of bullish divergence. Yeah, bullish divergence, man. Yeah, the big moves, big moves. See my comment up thread about stablecoin risk issue. Nope, did not see a comment about stablecoin risk issue. Magic. Let's see up there. No, but stablecoin risk. Okay, let's go. There is a theory that with the SEC crackdown, stablecoins are being seen as too risky and people are fleeing them for Bitcoin. Yeah, it might be that. I've seen talk about that. I actually seen talk about that. You know, people, you know, they start, you know, hitting on BUSD and then USDC. Then there was a lot of inflow of USDC on the exchange. I saw that on the whale alerts on Twitter, and I was thinking like, yeah, they're gonna start buying maybe soon. So you know, we might get some. You know, they're gonna do something with the USDC. Money go towards crypto because you know, people are a little bit scared. You know, hodling in Tether. Profits have to go somewhere. So this move up here will eventually lose a little bit steam and will pull back a little bit. And I'm thinking that altcoins, you know, a lot of money over here might actually flow into altcoins and pump altcoins. So there might be that. Some of the charts say the Fed about to start brr again. Brr. Even this pullback is done. Even this pullback is done already. How much is this done actually? 0.5%. Just goes. Quick check S&P daily MACD. S&P daily MACD. No, it turned bearish and it's still bearish. It had this, you know, bearish cross up here. And still pulling down over here, but it's not that it's not just, you know, over here just dropping down. It went kind of sideways up here, so it can, you know, the momentum up here is going a little bit towards the downside. Well, been going towards the upside. Might be some kind of consolidation part up here. On 2-day time frame, we don't have any kind of bearish cross up here. On the weekly time frame up here, weekly. Oh my God, guys! Weekly is just about to cross the zero line up here. Weekly is just about to cross zero line on the S&P 500. Dow Jones crossed the zero. We forgot to look at, you know, the indicators down here for the stock market. The DXY just over here. This is consolidated. It's gonna explode towards the upside, guys. This is already above the zero line. Over here we went below the zero line. Up here we went above the zero. I did not even see this, guys. Nasdaq up here is still have a while left. Let's see monthly time frame up here. Monthly is still above it. Above it. Above it. Wow. Bitcoin 6% up. No pullbacks. No pullbacks, guys. I'm gonna cry, guys. I'm gonna cry. Even on 1 minute time frame, this thing pumps. They're about FOMOing. Everybody is about FOMOing. I wanna FOMO in everything. Dude, the move is legit. No, the retail is, you know, scared a little bit. Retail is scared a little bit, but I'm not scared. You know, I'm definitely gonna FOMO in on a green candle and be like, F it, man. You know, that's how we roll. That's how we roll. Also, Matic right now, you know, exploding up here towards the upside. Roy is going to tell you, I told you so. Yeah, definitely. I'm expecting that, guys. The view count is going up. The like count is not going up, but that doesn't matter, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I'm not gonna do any trade. It's just too risky, and I'm a little bit tired and stuff like that. If I do a trade, I wanna do it, you know, in the secret, in privacy of my own home, with the doors closed and you know, drapes, you know, over the windows. I don't want anybody to see me doing the mess that I'm about to do, maybe. So guys, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, definitely, like Bitcoin looks very strong, very strong. If this over here starts closing up here, you know, where we think it's gonna close, you know, 6% up here, like it looks very strong. It looks extremely strong. Smash the like button on the way out, guys. Thank you for stopping by. You know, we're gonna talk tomorrow on Bitcoin Daily. What did I do? What did I not do? That's gonna FOMO in the darkness. I'm gonna FOMO when nobody's watching. You know I gotta do it. You know I gotta do it. So there's that. I gotta relax. I gotta see you, Milan. Thanks for stopping by. Nice to have you back, man. Edward, too good. Where are you going? I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna go hide behind, you know, the screen alone. I'm gonna put some, you know, depressive music on, like really dark, you know, sad, like Korn or something like that. You remember Korn, guys? If you have ever been, you know, a teenager, you know, and you know, and you haven't been listening to Korn, I don't know, have you even been a teenager, you know? Have you even been a teenager, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some, you know, depressive stuff on. I'm gonna make myself, you know, a little bit of tea, you know, cry a little bit, you know, shed a tear. 6.8%. This is gonna explode. This is already exploding. So the FOMO is really strong. So the pullback will happen. The pullback will happen. So there's that, guys. Okay, guys, thanks for stopping by. We're gonna do another stream, something, you know, another time when we actually can do something about this. But the move. Get some hot chocolate. Okay, guys, thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna go. I can't watch this anymore. I need a 5-minute break. I need to rest. You know, look at it. Look at the pump, man. Look at the pump. Tell me this is not. Tell me this is, you know, this is not happening. The move. What do you wanna hear, you know, as the ending song? What's the most, you know? Do you want me to wreck the bull market? Do you want me to wreck the pump? Do you want me to play Dodge Daddy? I'll play Dodge Daddy. I play Dodge Daddy just to get to the, you know, I know it's gonna wreck you guys, but I'm gonna play Dodge Daddy just to get a pullback. This is Dodge Daddy for the pullback. This is Dodge Daddy for the pullback, guys. This is Dodge Daddy for the pullback. I need my pullback. I'm sorry, guys. I know you're gonna suffer, but I need my pullback. I need my pullback. See, it's already working. It's already working.
And it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance.
Go Rev, go! Go Rev, go! Go Rev, go!
I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go
Come on, pull back! Oh yeah!
Go Dodge,
Give me a pullback.
Dodge Daddy, yeah.
Daddy wants a pullback.
Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game.
Rising wedge, pulling down.
He's in control. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dodge, go Dodge, Dodge Daddy, yeah.
Take one for the team. You know, it's not working, guys. It's not working. Maybe it's working. Maybe it's rising. Come on, pull it down, pull it down. I need a pullback. Daddy needs a pullback. Oh my god, no pullbacks. No pullbacks. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Bye bye, guys.
Auxiliary power units are producing pressure. In short, all systems continuing to function well.
if the dump happens a little bit later, you'll know I FOMO'd. When the dump happens, you'll know I FOMO'd. Emotional damage. Bye bye.